Teacher Anna, I need to address the rumors circulating about your relationship with the habal-habal driver. I understand this is sensitive matter, but these rumors are affecting your reputation and the school's image.
Yes, Principal. The rumors are true. 5 years ago.
This is a serious matter, Teacher Anne. Your actions could be seen as an unprofessional and a violation of the code of conduct. But before we discuss the consequences, I want to understand your situation. Your family, 5 children, it must be difficult living in a remote barangay.
It's true, Principal. My husband, he doesn't understand. He's struggling to provide for our family. The habal-habal driver, he's been kind, supportive. He helps me with things, and he listens.
I understand that this is a difficult situation, Teacher Anna. However, your actions have consequences. Let's explore options to address these. We can discuss counseling services, both for you and your husband, to help navigate your marital issues. We can also look into providing you with alternative transportation options. Perhaps through community support or school resources. We need to find a solution that respects your personal life while upholding the school standards.
Thank you, Principal. I appreciate your understanding. I'm willing to work with you to resolve this.
Good. Let's schedule a meeting next week to discuss the available support system and a plan moving forward. Your well-being and the school's reputation are important.
Thank you, sir.